I said, God's a healer right there. I'm going back with the devil wants to try and play. God's still healing him. You're right, trying to come out. I'm right now that God can move.
Jesus, God, we praise you.
What do you want to do? Pick it up.